In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at Subscript. That's right, you can now subscript in Canva without any workarounds. So to do this, there's a new advanced typography menu. So what we need to do is highlight what we want to subscript. So in this, for instance, I'm going to highlight this 2, and I'm going to subscript that 2 below the letters. I'm going to go find this little A with a few lines and circles and such, which is your advanced formatting icon in your toolbar. We click on that and we see here that we have the option to subscript. Now that's Command, comma, or Control, comma if you're on Windows as a shortcut. But we click on this subscript option and that 2 drops down below the rest of our letters. And so now we have a true subscript. We don't have to make a separate text box and then drag it down there or something like that. And then you can always highlight this subscripted number or letter, and you can do things like bold or italicize it, just to make it a little bit different. And there's a few other options that will work just to that letter if you need to make any adjustments to it. But that is quickly how you can subscript in Canva, which for some of you has been a long time coming.